สุภกร welding supply
Hello, Supakon. This is Anusha speaking.
I going to introduce our welding equipment and species of form.
What kind of welding products do you sell?
We sell welding machine, welding rod, safety equipment, and accessories.
I am interested in atomic welding machine for my workshop.
The model is very popular, easy to use and to trouble for small businesses.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it comes with a 1 year warranty and provider letter with
That sounds good. Please send me the quotation by email.
sure I will send in today. Thank you for your interest.